You see, that is not how it was designed to work. So it should stay in place like this. So I can't get this in my country, so I have to fabricate one. Okay guys, yes, this is another one, quick one, and quick tips for you guys that I want to share with you. This knowledge is about the lock, the door lock. As you can see, this has spoiled. They have a plastic like this in here that hold it in place. This one I can't find it. On the other side I can't find it. All of sun has spoiled it, so it's kind of breaking. So I decided to fabricate my own holder, yes, that hold it in place, because you can see, as you see, that is not how it was designed to work. So it should stay in place like this. So I can't get this in my country, so I have to fabricate one. So I'm going to remove it now so that I can explain properly for you guys. So to remove it, you just need to unlock this, push it back. Yes, you can see it's breaking on me, so I don't want it to break. Remove it gently, then you remove this like so. Then on this, I don't mind if this one breaks, so I'm going to do another one. So how you getting it removed? You can easily break it. Yes, you can see how sun has spoiled it. It's not rubber anymore. This is it. You see it? So it has spoiled. So let's go on the table so that I will explain what I'm going to be doing on it. So this is it. As you can see, this is just a cycle of round metal, and this, I went and bought this because I need it. What I'm going to be needing here is just this. So I am going to lose it. We all know what is this. Yes, it's a generator plug. So I don't need this, but I need this. So I am going to explain to you how I get this. This is a cone that is on top of shock absorber, back shock absorber cars. Yes, every car has this cone. Yes, let me bring a sample so that I'll show you. Okay, you can see this is a shock absorber for BMW. Yes, the back shock absorber. So in this place there is a cone. After putting this, there's a cone between the bushing and this top, this bracket. So that's the cone that I remove. I have it in my box, something like this. So I have it, and so I take it and I cut it into pieces. I cut it to 4 pieces. Yes, then I have it. So then I cut the middle like so, just for it to get more tight to this. Yes, so that is how I come across this. So on this, I'm going to be using this to bend it like this to hold it in place. So I am also going to wide this place. Then you see me how I'm going to wide it. Wide the other one, then I'll bow the other side. So let me get into it. You can see on this, I am going to wide it more by holding it, because I'm going to use a black welding screw to bow it. You see, this one it cannot enter, but this one is okay. So I'm just going to wide it with my bit and drilling machine, like so. Not much. Yes, this is how I do this bit. Yes, you can see is my punch, but I decided to use it as a bit because I know it's going to give me what I want. So I am going to turn it and drill. I believe it's okay like this. You can see that. So it's okay. So I am going to do the other one like that. The same thing. Testing it out. You see? So okay. On the door, I am just going to use this and the other ring, putting it like this, then marking it up. Marking it and marking the other side. Yes. Then I am going to drill. I am not drilling it all, just to give it like punch to it. See that? I'm going to do this. So straighten it back. Then so I am going to take the cone, inserting it inside like so, the other one too like this. So putting it like so, make sure that it enter the hole that is supposed to enter like this. Then taking the top one, make sure that this is facing here, this is also facing here like this. Then placing it, you can bend it, yes, I bend it more. Then you're going to place it like this, then carry a bolt, a screw, and screw it on. Yes, screw the downside. Screw it down. Yes, like so. Then the second side, the same thing. Yes, I have to bend it more. put it so. Yes. Make sure that it stay in place before tightening it. See, that's it. So I am going to put the head. So I am going to put back this. Yes, putting this to hook it up in place, and you can see it's working as it should. Yes, so this is a little tips you can do. Yes, I've done the other side too. Let me show you. I've done the other side, and I feel I should share with you. You can see how I get it done, and it's working perfectly. Okay, yes, so that is it. It's just a simple one. So thank you. Please don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.